Wolseley Gyrocar was one of the most unusual automobiles ever built. Designed by Russian Count Pyotr Petrovich Shilovsky, the vehicle combined features of a motorcycle and a car. Unlike ordinary two-wheeled vehicles, which rely on rider balance, the Gyrocar stayed upright using a gyroscope stabilization system. Shilovsky, a lawyer, inventor, and member of the Russian royal family, believed a two-wheeled car could become a powerful military vehicle. In 1912, he brought his plans to the Wolseley Tool and Motorcar Company in Birmingham, England. The project was supervised by Chief Experimental Engineer A.W. Dring. Engineers completed the prototype in November 1913 after less than a year of development. The vehicle used a modified 16 to 20 horsepower Wolseley C5 engine mounted ahead of the radiator. Power was sent to the single rear wheel through a conventional clutch and gearbox. The car had no wheel brakes. Braking acted only through the transmission. The Gyrocar weighed about 2.75 tons and could carry up to 6 passengers. Its most important feature was the massive gyroscope mounted behind the driver. The flywheel measured 40 inches in diameter and rotated at up to 3,000 revolutions per minute using a 1.25 horsepower electric motor powered by a dynamo. The gyroscope worked with shafts, pendulums, ratchets, and counterweights to keep the vehicle balanced. If the gyro slowed too much, small side support wheels automatically lowered to prevent the car from falling. The first public demonstration took place in London in April 1914. The car successfully remained upright even while standing still, and passengers could enter or leave without disturbing its balance. However, the Gyrocar had a serious weakness. Turning was extremely difficult, especially on sharp curves. Wide turns were necessary because of gyroscopic resistance. After the outbreak of World War I, Shilovsky returned to Russia and the project stopped. Wolseley stored the vehicle by burying it near railway tracks. In 1938, the car was excavated, restored, and displayed in the Wolseley Museum. Despite surviving both world wars, the Gyrocar was dismantled for scrap in 1948. Nothing of the original vehicle survives today, but it remains one of the earliest and most ambitious experiments in automotive engineering.